What's good, everybody? It's Kev back with another video, back with another unboxing. And today we are doing the 2013 Off-White Odysseys. My first Off-White shoe. Really looking forward to it. Really couldn't get the one of the Jordan 1s, but you know, a little bit unlucky, so I went for an actual Off-White shoe. And yeah, just looking forward to see my first Virgil Abloh sneaker. So let's get into it. First things first. First thing I noticed is the box. You know, it's a very Off-White-esque box. You know, it's a shoe box on the top. 2013 on there, Off-White. The color itself, it's like a light, like I want to say like lime green type, just pale, like a pale light lime green type color. Just kind of fits with the Off-White aesthetic. You know, just really simplistic. Simplicity is big with Virgil Abloh. So yeah, here we go. With that being said, let's go check out my Odysseys. First thing first, like I said, with any luxury shoe, high-end shoe, you're gonna have a garment bag. This one says Off-White, you know, Virgil Abloh. Your shoe's not legit. You don't have a high-end shoe without a garment bag. Just let you know that now. You don't. So let's get into it. And oh my gosh, these bad boys. Jeez. Man. Where do I start? First thing first, you see the back, the tag, the tail. Very similar to the Off-White belt. And I do enjoy that. If you pay close attention, below that is like a ruler, if you will. I think that's pretty cool. The bottom of the shoe kind of has like a type spike, like traction type feature to the shoe. So I guess, you know, that'll be good for, you know, walking in the winter time and stuff. Zooming in. Odyssey 1000s. So that's a pretty cool feature. I really like the multiple colors on the shoe. You got the Off-White logo right there. The arrows going all the way across the middle to the toe. I kind of like that. This hint of light blue right here. Even on the tongue, like you got the bike, or it just says off. I'm tripping. It's not a bike, but at first glance you could tell, like you could guess that, hey, it's just like a bicycle. But yeah, Off-White logo right here on the tongue. Inside you got the logo right there. So I just think it's a really dope shoe. On this side, you got the made in Italy. You know, Virgil from Chicago, but you know he uses like the most exquisite, exclusive, high-end fabrics for his clothes and shoes. So you know, if you buying something from him, it's quality. Yeah, I think it's just an overall dope shoe. Definitely happy with what I got. Of course, you got the Off-White tag, zip top tag that lets you know that it's Off-White. It's one of Virgil's signatures. Comes with the shoe. And yeah, I'm very happy with this one, man. And this is the Off-White 2013 Odyssey 11s. If there's anything that I'm missing, you know, definitely let me know. If there's a shoe you guys want me to cop and do a review on, I will do that as well. If you notice, you know, some more detail, I just noticed while making this video, it puts the Odyssey 1000s right here. And there's another arrow, you pay attention, there's another arrow going right here. So just more detail from Mr. Abloh, man. Puts a lot of features in his clothes, and the shoes are no different. So yeah, these are the Odyssey 11s. For every young TV, please like and subscribe. I'm only getting better at this. Only giving y'all more content as the year goes on, man. So just like that, we gone.